Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of that green line down there. Yes, that still pertains to the chart, but it's not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have 8 million lines everywhere. That can cause clutter and confusion, so just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First thing right off the bat, today was perfectly healthy. I mean, sure, there's a little perspective. I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.2 seconds, then yeah, maybe you're a little frustrated. But even with that, it's not like the price totally collapsed. So sure, the price didn't continue its beast move right here, but you got to keep things in perspective. As nice as it would be for stocks to have beast moves like that every single day, that's just not the reality of the market. Again, as nice as that would be, that's not how the things work. People want to take profits, and consolidations need to happen. And as long as consolidations are happening at higher prices, then within the big picture of things, the chart will take care of itself. And that's what happened today. Yeah, the price went sideways here a little bit, but I mean, when you consider where it went sideways and as low as it went right there, and then you look at where the previous big base of lows was right there, you picture those as stair steps. I mean, the stair steps are still easily in the upwards direction, and that implies that the price could, pull back, even further. I'm not saying the price is, headed down below 11 cents. My point is the price could theoretically pull down below 11 cents, and from the big picture, quote unquote, story of the chart, the bulls would still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, with higher bases over time. Easiest way to, measure the overall chart, as I've been talking about, goes back to that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as you can see right now, the price closed up there. That line is way down there, so there's a whole ton of leeway before that line would even get tested. Now, granted, that's a moving average, so that'll continue to change over time. But case in point here, sure, it was a quote-unquote red day. Sure, the price pulled back a little bit. But big picture of things, just perfectly healthy consolidation. As far as levels of resistance, nothing has changed here. 13 cents, if anything, was confirmed as an area of resistance, so that remains key battleground going into tomorrow. All in all, though, chart looks perfectly healthy. Consolidations are part of the game, so we'll see what the bulls have in store for tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.